your suffering, and he will multiply it through gold. So every time you say ouch, every time something happens to you, every time somebody lie on you and cheat you and call you all kinds of names and you feel like you need to say ouch, look at it a different way now. So you know what? You know what? I almost want you to mess with me now so I can get my better uprising in God.
All right now.
Oh, I got one in there that time. Thank you, sir. I said, Brother Kelly, I don't like ouches, Brother Kelly. It makes me hurt, Brother Kelly. But every time you go through something,
My God.
when I had cancer, I was going through. They gave me 40 different bottles of pills. Every day, God healed me. Had a stroke, God healed me.
Jesus.
Had heart failure, God healed me.
Yes.
Had a brain aneurysm, God healed me.
Yes.
I'm able to go on these networks and talk about the goodness of God.
Hallelujah.
My haters, oh, I got so many haters, I can start my own hater club.